full send it, show 'em. That's code for I'm about to break it.
Okay, the winner is... I got last person. Got first. But I crushed the seed.
Why?
It was not actually, I stepped on it. And then I squished one on purpose in my hand. Do the seeds make a plant?
What?
If I plant these, will something sprout? Can I plant it?
Something wild gonna come up, Yana.
Why would you want to plant something like that? You ain't asked to plant a flower seed. What? You want to plant?
I'm curious.
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
It's not, but that don't mean that I want that growing. It don't tell them how it's gonna grow.
I'm gonna hit the top of this building if I don't be careful.
Okay, smile.
Why can't I? You know I can smile.
I know, I'm asking you if you, I'm asking you
Can I smile?
I want to see if you have dimples.
Your daddy got dimples. I think he only got one on one side though. Mine's on both. I need a damn massage, like a tissue massage.
Ain't gonna get one from me.
I didn't ask you. I seriously need to go see a damn chiropractor.
I can be your chiropractor.
Baby, if you can't fucking let me break every bone or feel like it in my body, then no. I need them to get in there and do some cracking and pulling and tugging.
How your back gonna hurt?
No, it's gonna feel good. My back hurts just sick. My back hurts every day.
You can lay down on here. And if you fall, you have support.
Just make sure you don't fall.
Okay.
Because you ain't gonna have support when your ass hit the ground. Because I can't get there fast enough. Mama used to do a cartwheel.
You're not going to stick base and flyer. And I was the flyer.
Disarm.